Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys like an overview of all the products that I use faithfully. So these are going to be products that I have used for a very long time. Some of these are new products that I've added to my routine, but most of these are going to be products that you guys have seen on my channel, especially if you followed me for a very long time. So I decided to put together this video because a lot of people want to know like what are just like your go-to products that you're currently using when it comes to things like hair growth and like actually seeing results. I feel like to actually get the true effect of a product, you do have to use it for quite some time. Sometimes it can be pretty quick. So for example, use the products for a couple months and already boom, you're seeing results. Or even some products for a couple of weeks. You guys have definitely let me know that some of the recommendations that I have gave you guys, that you have noticed a difference in your hair like soon as you use the products. So like I said, it's different for everyone. All of these products that I mentioned in this video, I have been using at least a year or more. So nothing is too new. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. I feel like this video is going to be very helpful for you guys. So I'm going to start off in categories just so that this video is not confusing, because I feel like with these videos, a lot of like newer naturals found these videos, or naturals who are trying to like revamp their routine. So I want to keep everything in categories. I'm going to start with deep conditioners first, because deep conditioners are very closely linked to how your hair retains hair growth. So even if you do a lot of steps correctly, if you're not deep conditioning or if you're skipping out on deep conditioning, it can make a huge difference in your routine. So for me, when I started to put more focus on deep conditioning, my hair did start to grow a lot longer, and also my hair was a lot healthier. So when it comes to deep conditioners, I mentioned this on my channel before, I'm very particular about conditioners in general, because conditioners are what is going to give your hair moisture, and I like for my hair to be moisturized. I don't like for my hair to be dry, and so that's why when it comes to conditioners, I don't normally stray away from the stuff that I've been using for a while. So the first product that I'm going to mention to you guys that I use on a faithful basis, no matter what, this is always in my routine unless I'm like out of it or out of stock or something like that, and that is this product here. This product is called the Pink Honeysuckle Plus Mango Hydrating and Strengthening Mask. So it has like mango butter, lots of great oils in this product. But not only that, this product is one of my favorites, and some of you guys have even tried it out because of course you guys have gone on my website. But this product, to me, it really helps with detangling the hair. So it's going to help your hair health, right? So you're going to be using it. I use it every wash day. And one thing that I noticed with both me and my daughter's hair is that detangling is a breeze with this deep conditioner. It just glides right through. Like I don't ever have to worry about the detangling process. And I've used this conditioner on super tangled hair. So like my daughter's hair, when her hair is tangled, is a hot mess. And if I have this deep conditioner and I use it on her 4A hair, it's so much easier. And for my hair, I have let my hair go for so long, and then when I get in the shower, like I have to detangle it and put like some TLC into it, and this conditioner works so good. So very, very good deep conditioner. It's super thick, and this is what it looks like, and it is just my favorite. I've used it faithfully. This has to be in this video, because if I didn't put this in my video, I would be lying to you guys. This is a faithful product that I love so much. It has a very light smell and really awesome ingredients, and it's sustainable, cruelty-free, and vegan. I love the way that this is made. I just like that so much time and like effort was put into this product. The product was just created to the point of every detail had to be like done correctly, which is why this is such a really good product and one of my favorites. And just an FYI guys, just to throw it out there, this is the product that was featured in Vogue. So this is the product that was in Vogue magazine September edition, because like I said guys, my favorite. So yeah, can't say it enough. This is my favorite deep conditioner and it works so good. You guys try this one out, highly recommend it. Like I mentioned, deep conditioners is going to be a very short category because I haven't really found other deep conditioners that work that good. But then again, maybe I need to give some deep conditioners a try. So if you guys have any recommendations, you can definitely leave them down below, because I'll be looking through all your comments anyways. And so if you guys know any good deep conditioners, let me know down in the comment section. So the next deep conditioner that I use faithfully when I'm out of this deep conditioner is going to be the Shea Moisture deep conditioners. Shea Moisture has gone through a lot of changes over the years. A lot of their consumers have noticed, you guys have noticed, but one thing that has been very consistent, that is their deep conditioners. I think their deep conditioners are really good, and it's really hard to get a deep conditioner that can be, you know, like consistent every single time you come out with a new deep conditioner. And I think that Shea Moisture has mastered that. So Shea Moisture deep conditioners are really good. Now I am only putting the ones here that I have used and that I recommend. I have not used any of their other deep conditioners. Anything that they come out with that is new, I'm not accounting for that. I'm not speaking for that. I'm only speaking for these products. And like I mentioned, I know that they've gone through some changes, so don't come at me in the comment section like, those are horrible deep conditioners. These right here are the ones that I use. So now I'm going to get into the cleansers that I use on a faithful basis. So these are also things that I have recommended before. So we're gonna start off with this here. This is the Viore Beauty shampoo bar, which, look guys, it's completely empty because I have used that shampoo bar until it broke in half. This shampoo bar lasts for so long. And the thing about Viore's products that I actually like is that they are also a sustainable company. They take time into their products, and their shampoo bars don't have any bad ingredients in it at all. You can rest assured that when you're using their product, that you're using a really, really clean product. And I like the fact that they take so much time and effort into their marketing, which their main ingredient is rice water. They take so much time and effort to make sure that, hey, yes, we use rice water, but we put so much respect into the culture that they put funds back into that community, which is a huge part of their brand. And I love that they do that. So it makes me comfortable buying from that company. Their ethics and their products line up great, so it just makes me more comfortable. That type of stuff is important. And so there is a such thing as cleansing shampoo and moisturizing shampoo. So I noticed that with this shampoo bar, my hair feels moisturized, and I just like the feeling of the shampoo bar in general. Like, it just makes my hair feel clean. You can put it on your scalp and part your hair and do all of that and make sure that you're getting directly on your scalp. So okay, so this cleanser that I'm going to be recommending next is going to be the Nourish Pink Honeysuckle line. So the Pink Honeysuckle plus Aloe Flower shampoo. So I love the Pink Honeysuckle line in general, but when it comes to the shampoo, what I love about this shampoo is that this is a cleansing shampoo. You guys can see I have been using it already. It does have aloe flower in it. So it has aloe flower in it, and it has 5 different waters in here that are herbal water. So it has water as the base, it has aloe vera juice as the base, and then it also has aloe flower water, Roman flower water. All types of essence are in this product. So yeah, lots of herbs, lots of flowers. Neem flower is in here as well, which neem flower is like impeccable for the scalp. All of the good ingredients are towards the top all throughout the ingredient list. So they're either towards the top or they're just all throughout the ingredient list. So I like that as well, because sometimes you will see where that's not prevalent in a lot of companies' products. Like, their key ingredients are really far down the ingredient list, which means that they're not using a lot of those certain herbs and items. So I like that everything is just like all throughout the ingredient list. Like, yes, this stuff is actually in here, and we are using them in high amounts, especially for the deep conditioner. So making sure that you have good products for the cleansing part of your routine. This next product, it looks really, really gross on camera. This is a herbal tea rinse. So I actually have this product on my YouTube channel, but it's the peppermint herbal tea. So this tea works so good on my hair, and I'm putting it in the cleansing category because I actually use it as more like a pre-poo, and I didn't know which section to put it in, so I'm putting it in with the cleansers. But I pretty much use this before I shampoo, and it just makes my scalp feel so good. It makes my hair feel so good. My hair feels so soft. And with those herbs going directly on your scalp, you can almost guarantee your hair is going to definitely grow and have growth retention from that product. So that herbal tea is one that I've been using faithfully, and I've used herbal teas all throughout my hair journey. So I really love that product, and that is also one of my favorites. So okay, so now I'm gonna move on to conditioners, and like I said, not gonna be a lot of products in this category as well. So the first conditioners that I'm going to recommend to you guys, and I do use these as conditioners and leave-in conditioners, so I'm merging that category together, and that is the Derma E conditioner. So my favorite is the thickening conditioner. This is the one that I've used and I've had really good results with. It's a super thick conditioner, and you would think it would just sit on your hair, but it glides through your strands. It makes your hair moisturized. It makes your final look moisturized. Like, I absolutely love this product. Derma E is more of like a skincare brand, so when I seen that they were doing like hair care products, I was like, okay, that's pretty, I'm not sure about that. But these turned out to be really good, and the thing about Derma E is that they use clean ingredients as well. So this conditioner right here is absolutely amazing. It has great herbal ingredients in it, and I'm impressed by their ingredient list on here in general. So yes, guys, highly recommend this one as well. All right, so the next conditioner is going to be Viore. I have the Viore Beauty conditioner bar here. Now, I was not expecting much from this conditioner bar, but once I tried it out and I realized like how good it was working on my hair, I continue to use it. That conditioner, I leave it in because I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna wash this out. So it's supposed to be a washout conditioner, but like I said, there's no way I'm gonna wash that conditioner out because it makes my hair feel so good. So with some conditioners, I leave them in. I just cannot. Like, I'm like, oh my god, this is, my hair is like soaking this up so good. This next category is going to be Stowers, and Stowers for me, I like to keep very minimum. I feel like Stowers are the products that can get the dirtiest. Companies trying to make sure that they're getting like these great like final results and all this stuff, and they just go to town with the chemicals. It can sometimes override the fact that we're still at the styling process trying to make sure that our hair is healthy and not dried out by like gels or hardened by creams. So like I said, this category is another one that's very small and I don't stray away from too often. So first product that I have here that I use on a faithful basis is going to be the Nourishing by Shawntas Angelic Cocoa Clear Quartz Jelly. This is one that I like to use because it's a soft to medium hold jelly, and it doesn't make your hair hard. Like, I have it in my hair right now, as you guys can see. Like, my edges are super laid down. My hair in general is super laid down, and it just gives like a really soft hold. Like, if I was to like pull my hair out, it won't be hard. So like sometimes gels can leave your hair really hard, whereas this gel does not, but it still at the same time holds your hair. On the inside of the gel, this is what it looks like. It's like a jelly form. It's really has a lot of water in there, so you know I can't be like doing too much, but it's like really good. So it has rosemary in here, as well as organic aloe vera. Forgot to mention, Nourishing by Shawntas products have a lot of organic ingredients in them, as well as I believe Viore products do as well. So yeah, this has rosemary in here. Organic aloe vera leaf is the first ingredient. Water-based products in here, so that it's ensuring that it's a moisturizing and hydrating product, and as you guys can see, it definitely achieves that from my hair. You can see. So yes, guys, I absolutely love this, and it gives your hair like really good shine as well. The last category that I'm gonna go into is going to be oils. Y'all know I was not gonna forget oils. So when it comes to oils, you can do a whole lot of different things. You can mix your own oils. You can use just pure oils. It just depends depends on how your hair reacts to each, and if you want to put the time into doing all of that. Whew. The oil industry can be very, very fake. And there has been countless and countless of articles that have come out. A lot of corners that can be cut, so you got to make sure that you're really doing your research and, you know, making sure that you're going with companies that you trust, and that, like I mentioned in the beginning, that their, you know, their ethics and their products are lining up together. So I wanted to let you guys know that, because that's something that is very much overlooked. All right, so first up is my favorite. Been using this for such a long time, since before I even started YouTube, and that is my growth oil. So it's the Nourish Stimulating Scalp Plus Hair Oil, or in hair oil. So this as well is one of my favorites, because it does help with helping the hair to grow, as well as retaining hair growth. So also, it softens the hair as well, so that's one of my favorite things about it. So it does have like rosemary in it, and all different types of plant oils in it as well. So like I mentioned, when it comes to oils, I feel like that it's one of those products that can easily be made, but there are many things that can distinguish which one you should go with. One thing that you can kind of see up front is if that oil has a lot of fillers and different ingredients that are just not needed when it comes to oils. You can see that up front by looking at the ingredient list. There's some oils where there's just stuff that's put in there that doesn't even need to be put in there. It's just put in there to make it look like, oh, you know, this is different. No. And I find that when I started to use oils in my routine, it took my hair routine from here to here. So yeah. But yes, guys, those were all of the products that I faithfully use. I'm always using these products. I'm looking forward to you guys comment below and let me know what products I should try next. I have one product that I ordered that I will be putting on my channel soon, that I found this company. So I have been finding some products, but you guys can let me know if there's anything that you think that I should try, or anything you want to see me try on my channel. You can let me know down below. And so all of these products are going to be in the description box for you guys to easily just click them. And if you want to see more valuable tips for hair growth, make sure that you click right here. I'll have this whole entire playlist. You can see my other videos where I go into depth on tips, so I'll have that right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.